Hey y'all, today we're doing a hot dog grilled cheese on the Rectech smoke stove. So we're going to start by splitting these hot dogs. You want to split them in half, but not all the way through. So we're just going to go through and slice these right down like that. We want to get crust on both sides of this dog. So these are all beef hot dogs. You can use your favorite. We're just going to bend these open like that. We're going to grill them just like that to get maximum coverage on for the grill. So we're just going to again slice it down almost all the way through, get it opened up real good, just like that. Same time, I'm going to butter the inside of these hot dog rolls. Now these are potato rolls. You can use any type of hot dog roll you desire, but we're just going to go ahead and give this a little bit of butter. We're going to toast these up. Get these done, we're going to head out to the Rectech. Okay, we're going to go ahead and get these hot dogs on. Give them a good sear on each side. Give them a couple minutes, we'll flip them. Flip these guys over. Get some nice caramelization on there. Whoop. There we go. Let them brown up, and then we'll go ahead and toast our rolls. Again, we just buttered the insides. Let's give it a quick toast. Again, we got this idea, seen another creator do it online. We're going to do it a little different than what they did it, but same concept. Get these hot dogs off here. We're going to take these inside and show you how we're going to build them. We're going to go ahead and get these off. Got them nice and toasted. Pull this guy off. Oh yeah. Let's go inside. We'll be back out here in the griddle in a minute. We'll show you we're going to build these up. Okay, so we got our rolls toasted. We got our hot dogs browned up nice, and we're going to go ahead and start building this grilled cheese hot dog. So we're going to take 2 slices of this, and this is the processed American cheese that melts on demand, and that's what we're looking for. So this cheese is excellent on grilled cheese. I don't care what anybody says. We're going to go ahead and stick this on. Oh, it's natural. Naturally processed. So then we're going to come back through, and these are just some pickled jalapenos. You can skip this part if you want. I figured it'd give it a good pop. And we're just going to spread these guys out on there like this. There you go. Then we're going, matter of fact, I want to go just like this with the hot dog. So you want to, just like it was going to fold with the bun. Like so. So we're going to come back across a little more cheese. I'll show you. It's going to make a mess, and that's all right. Just pile it on there. I'll show you what we're going to do with this when we get out to the griddle. Like so. So we're going to fold these up, kind of push all that in together. And we're going to go out and grill this cheese side down on our griddle. So our griddle's still hot, and you want to pack all that cheese down in there as best you can. Just like that. I'm going to switch hands. We're going right on the griddle. Just like so. Going to do the same thing. We're going to pack this in real good. Right down on that griddle. I want that cheese to get real good and crusty. It's not going to take a real long time. Just pack that in. got up underneath this one. We're going to flip it over. Oh yeah, baby. Look at that. Let's go after this next one. We'll show you how we did it. Just got our spatula right next to it. Kind of put a little bit of pressure on there. Slide it under. Flip it. That nice crispy cheese on there. Let that toast on that other side. We'll pull these bad boys off. We're gonna go ahead and pull our hot dog grilled cheese off of here. Whew. Okay, so we have our hot dog grilled cheese here. You can see it. You can pick it up, probably eat it just like that. But we're going to cut it in half to see how the cross section looks on this guy. See? Got some of the pepper in there, some of the cheese. Got a nice crust on top, nice and juicy too. And then you got the hot dog. You can give it a bite. Ooh. That's actually pretty good. Nice and cheesy, of course. Resembles a grilled cheese hot dog, and the jalapenos kind of push it over the top a little bit. Good recipe. This would be a great recipe to do with your kids. Would definitely be fun. And you could use a griddle, or you could use a pan here in the kitchen. Give this recipe a try. Make sure you hit like and subscribe. Get you some of that grilled cheese hot dog. Not bad, really.